T-Rex is the brand of, everybody knows them for grills and everything, but they actually have an affiliate company that takes care of the light bars as far as the Jeep Wranglers go. And the part number. This is the part number of the kit that we're using, the Z374831-kit. So I'll show you it after it's installed too, bud. Alright guys, so here is one we put the Warn winch on it. Now keep in mind, that winch is a factory Warn winch, which basically means it's a Mopar part number, but it's actually a Warn, of course, and you can see the labels all over it. So yeah, these guys are pretty tough. There's something else to install in there. You actually have to take the bumper assembly off and the whole shot. Yeah, you've got to feed the lead through it and everything. It's a chore to get it done, but you know what? Once it's done, I mean, you can see it looks pretty awesome. And then, of course, there's our light bar up there. So yeah, looking pretty good. And then just like the white Jeep that we did, also we got those running boards. So pretty much the same running boards we did on the other one. Big old strap and mud trains. Yeah, the other one, I was asked about the tires on the other one, on the white one. The white one got some 37 by 1250 by 17s. And these are the Mud Terrain, also 37 by 1250 17. Pretty cool looking wheels. So, yeah, beast mode, not shabby. Check it out, y'all. Finished product. So we'll move on to the next ones. So next we're actually going to be doing some of the Gladiators. So stay tuned for that. We have one in the shop. It's bright red. It's getting lifted. It's getting some sidebars, the whole shot, some nerfs. And it's going to look pretty tough. So stay tuned. Check it out. Part 2 is a-coming. Actually, this is part 2. We're going part 3 next. But yeah, part 3 will actually have the new Gladiator with all the bells, all the whistles. Stay tuned.